So candidate number 6, what can you say to your supporters?
To everyone supporting me, to my friends, my classmates, my family watching live, and the people behind this stage, thank you so much.
So Yumino, pick your question. So your question is, how can intramurals help bring out the champion in every student? Again, how can intramurals help bring out the champion in every student?
Intramurals bring out the champion in every student by allowing them to understand the value of pursuit. You see, despite the fact that each and every department fights for the bags of golds, earlier yesterday, we've lost our team, our volleyball team, against the College of Teachers Education, and their hard work were crushed. But I did my best to score very high, and some other people from other departments have commended me for doing it. And I think this is the point of intramurals. You see, it's not all about someone who can bag the crown, but being able to see the ability of someone to push through the circumstances of life. It's showing that no matter what is the result is, the most important thing is, did you do your best? What are the points that you can start into? And I think that is the point of intramurals. Thank you so much.
What an answer, candidate number 6. Thank you so much. Let us now welcome candidate number 7 from the College of Arts and Sciences. So candidate number 7, what can you say to your supporters?
I'm very happy for the Dean of CAS and the supporters of my department, and also my father who is watching in Occidental Mindoro, and also my mother up there, my #1 supporter from the very start. I miss you, Mom, and thank you very much for supporting me all throughout this battle. Thank you po.
So Yumino, choose your question. So your question is, what is the best way to handle defeat and still remain a champion? Again, what is the best way to handle defeat and still remain a champion?
Actually, a true champion always reminds us that we need to uphold what means to lose. Because losing and defeat means how you accept it and make it as a lesson. Because as champions, we need to accept defeat. Because with that, we can accept the lessons that it gives. It makes us improve. It makes us better. Because as we actually lost yesterday from the College of